So this is the iPad, not iPad Air nor iPad Pro, just iPad, and these are my first impressions. So the moment you first pick it up, it feels like any other iPad that's been released in the past 4 years. Thin, pristine and beautiful. When you get around to turning it on, you're greeted with one of the best tablet screens on the market, plagued by boring old iOS. Performance here wasn't what I expected from a brand new iOS device, with YouTube crashing thrice and animations being choppy from time to time, but that isn't anything an update can't fix. But I've only been using this iPad for around a day or so you'll have to wait around for my full review to receive my full verdict on whether you should buy it or not.